if you want to take your skincare routine to the next level, this is definitely the treatment to be doing. So this is our Hydra Infusion Pen. And I just thought it would be cool to show you from start to finish unboxing so you can see exactly what you're going to get. This is probably a little bit different to what you're used to with needling pens because it has a lot of features. So many features, but really nice and easy as well, so you don't actually have to use all the features. You can turn them on, off, you can go steady, you can go shallow. Really nice and easy to use. Just getting that top box off. So you'll get an instruction manual. You'll get your pen itself. Cool things about this pen is that you can adjust your needle depth. You can adjust the speed using the on and off button. It also has EMS. And you can see the EMS prongs up there. You can also adjust the amount of serum, because I'll show you in a minute your cartridges that you get. You can actually adjust the serum coming out of your cartridge. You're going to get 2 cartridges in the box. Just keep in mind, we actually give you extras, so you end up with 10 free cartridges in total. You've got your base here. I've never had a microneedling pen with a base. Makes it so much nicer and easier to store, but also a lot nicer to sit in your bathroom too. Charging cord, really nice long cord by the way, and you'll also get 2 tops. Now, I'm going to show you through how to actually assemble your pen, so do not throw these away. I'm just going to put that to the side. Pen here, and as I said before, you've got EMS. So you've got the prongs over here. This is where you put your cartridge in the middle there. And I will just show you what the cartridges look like, because again, this is Hydra Infusion Pen. You don't have to actually put serum on as you're needling, because what happens is you've got a canister in your cartridge where you put your serum. And then that serum goes through the actual cartridge itself, and so as you're needling, the serum comes out. Please show you how to put your cartridge in. So you would take the cap off, but being very mindful that you've got needles up the top, you don't want to stab yourself. So grab from here. Just also, while you can see that, this is where you adjust the flow of the cartridge. So see how that's sitting over there at the moment? We can change it to 1, so a little bit, 2 for moderate, and 3 for a lot of serum to come out. Honestly, you're probably not going to need 3. I sit between 1 and 2. You're going to hear it click. There we go. That means it's in. And then we're going to grab that cap that we had just before. This is where our EMS comes out. We're just going to slide that over the top. So you can see your cartridge nice and snug in there. And as I said, you can adjust your needle depth, 0.25, a really great place to start. If you've never done needling before, that's really honestly where I would start. And then we can turn it on. So you just push that button to turn it on. Use this same button to work through the speeds. Now, again, if you have never microneedled before, I'd probably stick between 1 and 2. Same thing with the EMS. You can actually push the EMS down. You'll see that blue button come up, and you can go all the way up. Found that helpful? Little demo there. You can read all about this one, all the functions, all the features that it has, because again, quite a few, in the link in my bio. But again, you can make this as simple or as advanced as what you want to.